How to upload a YouTube video. So what is going on, guys? Welcome to my video. So today I'm gonna be showing you step by step on how you can upload your first video to YouTube. And I'm guessing you're uploading your first video to YouTube, but whatever the case may be, first of all, I want to congratulate you because you're on your first step. You're taking the big first step to being a YouTuber and to growing your channel, because I'm assuming if you want to upload videos, you probably want to get views, you probably want to gain subscribers, maybe you actually want to make money on YouTube, and whatever the case may be, I just want to basically give you a big congratulations in advance because you're taking the first step towards all of these things. So with that being said, let's get started with today's tutorial on how you can upload a video to YouTube. So obviously the first step, guys, is to go to youtube.com right here, and you want to make sure that you're actually logged into your YouTube account right here at the top right hand corner. So if you haven't already, just make sure you're logged into your YouTube or Google account right here. And when you are, all you have to do, guys, is just click on this icon right here and click on upload video. And I mean, if we go over here, we can either, choose to upload our video, public, unlisted, private, or scheduled. And I'll go over like all these settings right here as we upload the video live together. So all you have to do is just select the file right here, or you can go to a folder right here and you can just drag your video right here and it will automatically, start to upload. So I want to make this video private. So I'm actually going to be going over all these settings right here live throughout today's video. So obviously right here, you can put in your title. So I think the first thing I want to go over right here is, basically go over like the privacy settings right here. So if you want to make your video public so everyone throughout the world can watch your video, and if you want to get like a lot of YouTube views, then you want to make sure your video is public, okay? If you want your video to basically be private and you want to only share your first video with a couple of friends, so it's actually not going to be public to the general public and it's not going to be in the search engines, but if your video is unlisted, you're still going to be able to share it with people. So basically, if you want to share your first video to your friends but don't want to make your video public to the general public, so to speak, then make your video unlisted. If you want your video to be private, then your video can be private where no one in the world can watch your video apart from you. And this scheduled option right here is basically where you can actually upload your videos in advance. So you can actually schedule your videos to upload, for example, like 2 weeks later, 3 weeks later, etc. throughout the month. So today's date is October the 7th, 2019. I can actually set a date for this video to automatically be public, for example, on the 10th of October at, let's just say 2 o'clock in the morning, okay, for an example, right? Now, obviously, for today's video, I'm going to make this private. Now, depending on your YouTube channel, you're going to actually have the ability to add custom thumbnails to your own YouTube videos. And guys, if you don't know what custom thumbnails are, they're pretty much like thumbnails like this that you can actually add to your YouTube videos to make your, thumbnails and videos look more appealing so people can actually click our videos. And obviously, when more people click our videos to watch our video, we get more views, we get more subscribers. And obviously, when we get more views and subscribers, especially when our channel is monetized, we then make more money, right? So if you want to get custom thumbnails enabled, what you want to do actually after watching this video is go to this video on how you can, verify your YouTube account, so you can actually get this feature down below when you're uploading your videos. So that's just a little bonus I wanted to talk about in today's video, because verifying your YouTube account is also important. But for today's video, we're just going to be focusing on uploading your video and, going through the whole, process step by step, including like all the different settings that you actually have right here. So right here is going to be the title for today's video. So you want to put in like your title for your first video. So for example, you can put in like my first video, or for example, this video is a GTA 4 video, so GTA 4 gameplay, for example. Now obviously you want to make your titles better than this, but I'm just giving you an example right here, and you can obviously just copy and paste this. You can put this in the description. So in the description down below right here, you want to describe your video and really go into detail right here. You can also put in links right here to your Twitter, to your social media, to, get people to subscribe and like. You can put that in here in the description down below. So for example, like and subscribe for more videos, right? And then we can put in tags right here related to our videos. So for example, GTA 4, no, not 5, 4, gameplay, and you get the big picture, right? You can also add your videos to a playlist. So if you have like a playlist on your channel, like for example, you can have like a playlist set up for like GTA 4 or for your gaming videos or for whatever, you can add this video to your playlist as well. You can go over here to translations and you can translate your videos in different languages. And basically the reason why you would want to do this, by the way, is so your videos can actually get discovered in other different like countries throughout the world. So imagine your video not only being, displayed or like being popular, for example, in the United States of America, America or in the Western society, but imagine your video also showing up in like the Italian community or in the Spanish, market or whatever, right? Of course, this is completely optional, but this is a setting right here that we can actually do inside of like uploading our video. So if we go to advanced settings right here, you can click here to allow comments. So if you basically uncheck this right here, then people can't actually comment on your video, okay? And you can go over here to allow all comments, and you can basically hold potentially inappropriate comments for review. You can hold all comments for review. I will just leave it to allow all comments, and you can sort by top comments or newest comments. That's up to you. So basically which comments appear at the top of your video. If you want to disable your likes and dislikes so no one can actually see how many likes you have in your video, you can click here to disable that, or you can uncheck it to leave it the way it is. This is the license and rights ownership. You can allow embedding. So embedding is where other people can, embed your video on their website. Publish to subscriptions feeds to notify subscribers. So leave that as it is as well. You can enable age restriction if you want to do that as well. You can change the category right here as well. So for example, if you're making gaming videos, you can change this to gaming. A video about sports, you can make a video about sports or animals or whatever it may be. So you can choose the category right here. This doesn't really matter too much, but you can definitely do this as a little bonus. You can change video language, so you can just make it to like English, community contributions, recording date, video statistics, and yeah guys, that's pretty much it when it comes to uploading your videos. So that's pretty much how you add all the settings right here. So if you ever actually want to change your video title, your video description, your tags, if you want to change any of the settings right here, all you gotta do is just go to the top right hand corner right here. In fact, I'm going to quit out of this so I can show you how easy it is. So for an example, if we ever want to add my video again and change the title, we can go over here to the top right hand corner. We can go to YouTube Studio, and once we do that, we'll be taken here and we can click on Creator Studio Classic just to go back. And we can also go over here to Video Manager, and basically when we go to Video Manager, we can basically manage all of our videos. So for an example right here, I can basically change and add all the information right here inside of my video. So there's different options. So if I want to delete my video, I can just click on delete. If I want to make my video private, unlisted, public, I can add the privacy right here. And yeah guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. So now that you've uploaded your first video, you probably want to get more viewers, more subscribers, and actually start making some money with your videos. So if you want to actually learn more about YouTube and how you can actually start getting some results, then I would encourage you to actually watch more of my videos. We have video tutorials on how you can make money on YouTube right here, and how you can actually gain subscribers, how you can actually gain viewers, how you can verify your own YouTube account as well, so you can upload custom thumbnails to your own YouTube videos. So I would encourage you to come over to my channel right here and watch more videos. But anyway guys, if you did enjoy today's video, make sure to leave a like, and if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe for more video tutorials and more helpful videos to help you succeed on YouTube. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video.